Hello students, my name is Pooja Devariga and today I am going to start with a new chapter of science that comes under physics, that is Wonders of Light part 1. In this module students, we are going to see introduction to light, properties of light and laws of reflection. Now students, first let's start with light. Now, oops, I can't see anything. So students, we cannot see anything in a dark room even though our eyes are open. But what happens students, as soon as light is switched on, exactly I can see each and everything what is present in our surrounding. So light from the source hits the object. After hitting the object, what happens here is it gets reflected. Once it gets reflected, it enters the person's eye. And finally, the object is visible. So in this manner, we see the different object present in our surrounding. So students, light, it plays a very, very important role. It enables us to see this beautiful world. So what exactly is light? Light is a form of energy that produces the sensation of vision. Now students, let's understand what are the properties of light. Light has two important properties. One is rectilinear propagation and the second one is reflection of light. Let's understand each one of them. Coming to the first thing, that is rectilinear propagation. You are familiar with the term linear, right? Linear means straight and rectilinear means traveling in a straight line. So basically students, light is always traveling in a straight line. You must have seen a beam of light entering a room, right? Whenever a beam of light enters a room, it always travels in a straight line. It doesn't go zigzag, right? Coming to the next property of light, that is reflection of light. What is the reflection of light? Reflection means bouncing back of light. So here you can see when light is hitting any surface, that is any opaque surface, it bounces back, and that is called as reflection of light. Now students, let's understand reflection of light in detail. For understanding reflection of light students, we'll perform a very simple experiment. I take a torch and now I incident a ray of light on this mirror. Whenever light hits an opaque surface, what is an opaque surface? Opaque surface, it means that doesn't allow light to pass through it. So whenever light is incident on an opaque surface, it bounces back. That is, it reflects back. So let's define what is reflection of light. When light rays strikes the boundary of two medium such as air and glass, a part of the light is turned back into the same medium, and this is called as reflection of light. Now students, here this ray which is coming is called as the incident ray. The ray that goes back is called as the reflected ray, and at the bottom we have the mirror. Now students, I make a perpendicular to the mirror, and the perpendicular to the mirror is called as normal. This is a new term for you all. Normal is the perpendicular to the surface. Now if you observe carefully, there is an angle made by the incident ray and the normal, right? And that angle is called as the angle of incidence. Similarly, there is an angle made by the reflected ray and the normal, and that angle is called as angle of reflection. So we have two angles, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So based on this students, we come to laws of reflection. Coming to a very important answer, that is, what are laws of reflection? The first point, it says the incident ray and the reflected ray, they lie on the opposite side of the normal. You can clearly see in the picture, right? Second point, it says the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. That is, if angle of incidence is 30 degrees, then angle of reflection is also 30 degrees, students. Moving further to the next thing, that is mirrors. Mirrors, what exactly is a mirror? A mirror is a reflecting surface. And students, mirrors are broadly classified into two types, plane mirror and spherical mirror. Let's understand what is the difference between a plane mirror and a spherical mirror. You are all familiar with a plane mirror, right? The one that is used in our house, that is a plane mirror. And where is a spherical mirror used? A spherical mirror is used as a shaving mirror and also as a rear view mirror in our cars. Now if you see, what is the major difference between a plane mirror and a spherical mirror, students? A plane mirror, if you see, object and image are of the same size. But when it comes to spherical mirror, students, object and image may or may not be of the same size. It depends. So students, here we have understood two types of mirror, that is plane mirror and spherical mirror. Thank you.